In this video, I'm going to show you the removal and installation process for the driver and passenger side vents in the dash of a second generation Legend. This video is only relevant when replacing your vents with one of my 3D printed assemblies. There is no good way to remove an original vent from the dash without causing damage to the dash or the vent itself. The plastic has become too brittle. If you are looking to purchase a set of dash vents, find Evans Restoration and Design on Facebook or check this video's description for a link to our online store. For this procedure, we will be utilizing these plastic pliers that I designed specifically for this purpose. You must first break the face off of your original vent. Then remove the outer set or the horizontal set of fins. You will notice the pliers are labeled with an L and an arrow. They are also held together with a plastic pin. Disassemble the pliers and use the L labeled portion for the lower tab on the vent. Position it to where it is underneath that metal tab. It should hold itself in this position. Position the arrow labeled portion around the upper metal tab. You should be able to bring the two pieces together and align the first hole and reinstall the pin. That first set of pliers should hold itself in this position. You're then going to repeat that process with the other pair of pliers, installing them to the metal tabs on the other side. You now have a way to grip the assembly while depressing the metal tabs out of the way. Pull outward while slightly wiggling upward and downward, and the assembly should come right out. The same process is repeated for the driver's side. It's just a little more difficult because there's less room to get the tool in place. You are now ready to install the 3D printed vent assemblies. You can optionally remove the metal spring clip from the side of your original assembly and swap it out with the plastic 3D printed clip on the new assembly. I feel like the metal clips give a slightly smoother operation of the shutter valve, and you can fine-tune how tight or how notchy you want that valve to be by bending that metal clip appropriately. Once you're satisfied with the operation of the valve, install the vent assembly to the dash. Make sure the duct is aligning with the hole in the dash correctly, and it should pop right in very easily. The retainer tabs on my 3D printed assembly are a much lower profile, and they only barely grab the edge of the dash material instead of snapping in really tight like the original ones. This is so the assemblies can be easily removed if for whatever reason they need to come out in the future.